Hi, in today's video, let us revise on the reactions in the chapter of acid, bases and salts. So I've chosen a question from O-Level Science Chemistry 2017 Paper 3 Question 8. Let us first have a look at the question. Figure 8.1 involves compound C, a metal chloride. You will need the following information to identify C. Compound C has the general formula XCl2. X represents a metal in group 2 of the periodic table. Alright, so I've copied down the reaction flow chart from the question, and let's have a look at the question part A. Identify and write either the name or the chemical formula for each of E, D, C, B and A. Since the question gives us the sequence in terms of E to A, it's probably better for us to look at E first. Alright, so let's have a look at what happens here. We have a colorless gas bubbling into lime water, giving us a white precipitate. So this could be the carbon dioxide reaction, reacting with the lime water to give us the white precipitate. And so E will be calcium carbonate, CaCO3. And D will be our carbon dioxide, CO2. Alright, so if we look further left to our C, this is a metal chloride with MR of 159. Since they have given us the MR, maybe we can use the MR to actually help us identify metal. So first of all, we know from the question that mentions is a XCl2. So we have 2 chlorine atoms in the molecule. The mass of Cl2 will then be 35.5 times 2, giving us 71. So mass of X will then be 159 minus 71, giving us 88. And if you look at the periodic table, it's actually strontium. So we have strontium chloride, SrCl2. Alright. So if we look further up at B, B is a compound that reacts with HCl to give us a salt and carbon dioxide. So this must be a carbonate. And since strontium is the metal, this will actually be a strontium carbonate. Alright, so SrCO3. And then we look further up, as a strontium carbonate is a precipitate and the adding of a sodium carbonate. So probably this is a precipitation reaction, and we know that A has the cation of strontium. But then we'll have to identify the anion. So maybe we could use this information. Alright, so A warm with aluminum powder and aqueous sodium hydroxide. So this is the test for our nitrate ion. Alright, and a colorless gas that turns them red litmus paper blue is given off. This is our ammonia gas. So this presence of ammonia gas indicate the presence of nitrate ion. So A must be strontium nitrate. Alright, so SrNO3 2. Alright, there we go. So we have identified from E to A. Let's look at part B. Write a balanced chemical equation for any one of the reactions. Okay, so I'm gonna do a few chemical equations here. So if we use this reaction, we can actually have lime water, calcium hydroxide reacting with carbon dioxide, giving us calcium carbonate plus water. So if we need to balance, we can have alright, this is actually balanced. Okay, 1 calcium carbon dioxide with an extra O. So we have that, the rest as the water. Okay. And next, probably we can use this, the strontium carbonate, strontium carbonate reacting with HCl to give us strontium chloride and carbon dioxide, and of course water. Alright, because carbonate plus acid gives us salt, carbon dioxide and water, right? So let's try to balance this equation. We have 2 Cl, so we need 2 of these, 2 hydrogen, carbon dioxide and strontium. Alright, so this is balanced too. Okay, we can also have the nitrate reacting with the carbonate. So I'm gonna write this here. Strontium nitrate reacting with sodium carbonate. This will give us our strontium carbonate. So strontium carbonate plus, so this strontium carbonate, then we'll have sodium nitrate as the other compound. Sodium nitrate. So as is Na plus and NO3 minus, so this chemical is balanced. Next we have 2 sodium here, so let's put a 2, and we'll have 2 nitrate, yes, that's present, 1 strontium and 1 carbonate anion. Alright, so this equation is balanced. Okay, so you can use any of these reactions, and this will be the solution for this question.